crapper kid, Joey, had his own camera and he made this cool dinosaur movie with spitting fire out of the dinosaur T-Rex's mouth. It was so incredibly, righteously cool. But I was so jealous. So now I'm gonna make my own sci-fi movie right here inside the Hack Lab. Hey guys, I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. Hope you're doing well. By the way, if you have a passion for anything, please do it. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it. Follow your dreams, follow your heart, and you will be set free, okay? Just do what you need to do, regardless of what people around you are telling you. Okay, listen, today's about making your own spaceship. Well, actually, it's about making a DIY sci-fi film called Trondium, okay? But today is primarily about making a spaceship. So today we're going to be looking at using lightweight, I'm just gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be a short video. So this is just a production diary. This is kind of giving you an update with where I am with making this short film. This has been a long day. I've done a lot of the building. I went ahead and constructed the basis of the spaceship using some lightweight 2x4s that cost about $4 a piece. So far I have about $90 in the actual framework of the spaceship. And then I have the simulator, the seat for the cockpit. That was another $90, and then there's stuff for the monitor. So I have about $220 into the spaceship so far, but it's getting kind of cool looking. Whoa, excuse me. It's getting kind of cool looking, and I'm really excited about this. I have been wanting to make a sci-fi film forever. Ever since little Joey in 3rd grade had that stupid little dinosaur movie that he used his dad's 8mm. And for you people that don't understand what 8mm is, back in the old days where you actually had to get something developed and you have to send it away. This spaceship is going to be used to go and mine a rare metal. You've heard of platinum, you've heard of titanium. These are all metals that are only found from asteroids. That meteorites collide with our atmosphere, land somewhere in the jungle, and somebody goes and mines the titanium and they think, oh, it's from the Earth. It's not from the Earth. Titanium, platinum, and all these other rare metals, and Trondium is not from the Earth. So this movie is about getting one of the rarest metals, which is Trondium, and it's about going and mining that because there's billions of dollars in that, and it's about this kind of this upset corporation. I don't know. There's some story there. Okay, I'm not gonna not have a story. Okay, I'm gonna have a hero's journey. I'm gonna have an arc. I'm gonna have all that stuff. But this thing's about the spaceship. The spaceship is approximately 84 inches long, which is around 6.5 feet. It's 48 inches in its widest part wide, and it is approximately I don't know, maybe I'd say it's taller than me, which isn't very tall. So I'd say 5'10" or something, maybe 6 feet tall. But anyways, I've been having a lot of fun with it. I'm exhausted. I've been watching a lot of cool DIY sci-fi films, and I'm linking those below so that you can get inspired to do something like that. But the thing I want to share with you, there is nothing called a no-budget sci-fi movie. You have to spend some money. So if you're interested in creating your own sci-fi film, you're gonna have to ask or get people, crowdsource people. So far, thank you, I've gotten my friend Byron, who has said that he'd make me a space helmet, and then I have my friend Dave, who said that he will help me with the real-time cinematics in Unity, which this is all going to be filmed in, and the spaceship scene, and then anybody else that maybe local tech groups of high school students can help me out. But anyways, I feel really accomplished today. I got the entire spaceship done, and then tonight I'm going to be assembling the main LCD panel in the back, and we are gonna be good for this production diary. But anyways, thanks for watching today, guys. I'm glad I got to show you the spaceship so far. If you're interested, if you go to hacklab.live/Trondium, you can read that'll be the website for this, hacklab.live/Trondium, and you can read all about what the storyline is and what the movie's about, and you can also get involved. So there's going to be lots of panels inside the spaceship. Then, then they can make a panel, and I'll have all the sizes in the next production diary. So I'll probably have maybe a total of 12 panels that's needed. And the panels are inside the ship. They're being seen in flight, and they can be whatever you want them to be if you just want to be part of that, and you get to be in the credits and stuff like that. So I would love for you to get involved. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for production diary number 2, and I'll be doing my other regular videos as well. Have a great rest of your day. Love you guys. Bye.